Today, 21st June, International Yoga Day was celebrated in various institutions of Anjuman-I-Islam, Pan Maharashtra, very enthusiastically by the young children, the elders, the teachers, professors, all of them took part very, very enthusiastically. And probably the first time on a very, very large scale it was celebrated. And we in Mumbai, all suburbs, then at Vashi, Turbe, New Panvel, Panchgani, Pune, Sholapur, almost all institutions of Anjuman-I-Islam, and the participation was so massive that I'm overwhelmed that Anjuman is one of the pioneering institutions which has come up with marvelous participation. The programs are still continuing at this point of time. I'm told at 4 o'clock we will be in our orphanages, one at Persava and at Pune. I wish all the participants all the very best and congratulations for participating and making a great event at Islam. And Islam is known for it. And it has been a very special day for us because we are into the celebration mode of 150 years of our existence.